Hi beautiful, welcome to my channel. In today's video we are trying the new Natasha Denona collection. This is the Natasha Denona spring collection. We have blush shade extensions, lip liner shade extensions, and we have all of the new high gloss hybrid tinted gloss bombs. Let me show you this magnificent PR package they sent my way. I would probably have chosen a few of these shades to try for you in a video, but I can try them all with all of the lip liners. And if you know me, you know the lip liners from Natasha Denona are one of my most favorite things in the world. So check out this stunning, huge PR package right here. Super grateful to have received this so I can make this video for you. Here is the entire collection with all of the new hybrid tinted gloss bombs and what everything looks like. There's also a couple of new lip liners included in this collection. So we have Cherry Blossom here is new, and then we have right here Cherry Cola, which is also a new lip liner. The rest of them are already existing ones, but I am happy to report personally I only have COLLAB. The rest of them are also new to me. And then the High Blush Duo, which came out last year, I did a video where I tried them. It also has a shade extension. So we have the new shade Nude Muse and the new shade Lush Lila here, which we will be trying today. As you can see, I did most of my makeup to get ready to showcase all of these for you. I did foundation, I did a little bit of contour, my brows, mascara, and I'm only wearing a lip balm right now. I didn't want to do blush because obviously we're trying new blushes, and also I didn't want to do any eyeshadow because I don't want to take away from like the color of the lip duos that we're going to be trying with a specific undertone to my eyeshadow. With no eyeshadow, you can see what it would look like on its own, and then you can decide yourself what to pair it with. Anyways, I am super pumped to try all of these for you. This right here also came with the PR package with all of these stunning promotional marketing pictures. And then we have some information back here on the products we are trying. I'm going to start by telling you about the High Gloss because it's the one product that is fully brand new. We don't have the price here, so let me look it up for you. I found them and they are currently online only for $28. This right here says introducing the all new High Gloss, a buttery cushiony day and night lip essential that delivers vibrant true color payoff with a glassy wet shine, long wear finish that never feels sticky. That's fantastic. Formulated with skin loving active ingredients, it hydrates and smooths the lips for a refreshed plump statement pout. Available in 7 shades, perfectly matched to some of the high blush hues and Natasha's best-selling I Need a Nude lip crayon shades. It says it is infused with active ingredients like raspberry plant cells, which has immediate and long-term hydration, hyaluronic acid, and ceramide production. And then white tea rose cells, which smooths the lips, strengthens collagen, and elastin enzymes. So that is all of the information on the beautiful tinted gloss bomb. The colors look so freaking beautiful. And then we have some information on the shade extension for the lip liner. As I said, I love Natasha Denona lip liners, so I'm super excited that they sent me a lot of shades I don't own. The beloved I Need a Nude lip crayon is now extending into 2 new shades, Cherry Bloom and Cherry Cola, paired perfectly with its corresponding high gloss shades, delivering the same rich creamy matte colors with a smooth hydrating finish. Natasha's signature lip crayon delivers rich, long-lasting, smudge-proof color that glides on effortlessly and sharpens to perfection. I agree with all of that. And then we have some swatches here of what these look like. Finally, the new High Blush Cloudy Cream Cheek Duo. We have 2 new shades of it, showcasing the fan favorite perfectly pigmented ultra lightweight gel to powder cream blush with soft matte and tinted glowy finishes. It melts seamlessly into the skin for a radiant natural buildable flush, long wearing, comfortable, and effortlessly flawless. Vegan squalene and sunflower wax help to maintain the skin's natural moisture, leaving cheeks hydrated and beautifully plump with a fresh pop of color. That is all of the information out of the way. I will look up how much the lip liners and blushes are. The I Need a Nude lip liners from Natasha Denona retail for $24. The blush duos retail for $42. I'm a little scared of one of the new shades. Lush Lila looks very like cool tone pinky purple, and those tend not to be the best colors on me, so that is the very last thing I'll try today. I think we'll do all of the lip liners and balm glosses first, and then at the end I'll put on one blush on each cheek so we can see what they look like. Let's get started. By the way, I of course have everything that I'm talking about today listed and linked down below in the description box of this video. You can buy any of these products on the Natasha Denona website, where you have a discount. With my code PATTY15 you can get 10% off of your purchase on the Natasha Denona website. So that is the first link I'll leave you, and then I'll also leave you the links to Sephora and Ulta in case you'd rather shop there. It looks like for now these are mainly available online. And as far as where I want to start and finish, I think I'm going to start with the darkest color and then work my way down to the second new color, which is the one all the way here at the end. Let's get you guys a little closer so you can see what the lips look like. And the first lip liner I'm going to try is one of the new shades in Cherry Cola. Here's what it looks like swatched. The Natasha Denona lip liners are super glidey, extremely pigmented. And then let's go ahead and put it on. Do the bottom lip. And this is what Cherry Cola looks like freshly applied around the lips. Here's the tinted gloss balm in the shade Cherry Cola. Let me go ahead and open it. And then let's just go ahead and apply it and blend it a bit. Check it out right there, lip liner and tinted gloss balm together. I'm not one to wear dark lipsticks often, but this is very pretty. And just like the description said, by the way, they're not sticky, which is so nice. Moving on to the second lip combo, and the first thing I'll apply is the Natasha Denona lip liner in the shade Naya. This is an already existing shade, but I've never tried it. So let's go ahead and go for it. This one looks like a neutral mid-tone nude shade. Very pretty. Here is Naya lip liner fully applied. And we'll top it off with the new tinted gloss balm in the shade Spicy Caramel. This one seems to be like a warmer nude type of balm. It pairs super beautifully with the more neutral lip liner, at least to me, because I don't like overly warm lip products, but the pairing of this warmer gloss with the more neutral lip liner, really pretty. So take a look. This is the Naya lip liner with the Spicy Caramel lip gloss balm. I forgot to swatch the shade Naya right there. And we're moving on to the lip liners and gloss balm in the shade Clio, both of which look more neutral rosy. I'm excited. Clio is an already existing shade on the lip liner, and here's the swatch of it. It is more rosy. I like this one. This is nice. Let's go ahead and put it on the lips. The glide on the Natasha Denona lip liners is insane. They're not the sharpest, like if you compare them to the Anastasia lip liners. The Anastasia lip liners are harder, and so because of that you can get a bit more sharpness with those, but these are so pigmented that it honestly doesn't matter, because you still get just as precise of a line because of the pigmentation of them, even if you draw them on without a sharp point, which is what I'm doing with this one because I actually broke the little tip of it. They are so pigmented. Okay, so here's the Clio lip liner on its own. That is a perfect nude shade if I've seen one. And so let's proceed to top it off with the Clio gloss balm. Perfect match. Oh my goodness, I love it. I love it. You know what? I just remembered. I was worried when these first came out because I thought maybe they were going to be plumping, and I hate the Natasha Denona plumping gloss, and it smells so bad because of that spicy plumping thing. I don't like it. They're not plumping. There is no tingle, there is no freshness, there is no plumping effect on these, which I personally am grateful for, because who cares? They still make your lips look plump just by the shine of them. So I am so glad that these are not a plumping gloss. They're just like a regular glossy balm hydrating thing. They look so freaking good and they feel just magnificent on the lips. So anyways, check it out right here. This is Clio lip liner and gloss balm. Next comes the lip liner in the shade Emily, and here is what Emily looks like swatched. Emily looks like more of a rose type shade. Let's go ahead and glide it on. It's rose, but it's still a nude. Alright, so here we have the Emily lip liner fully applied. And the pairing for Emily is the new Gloss Bomb shade in Fresh Mauve. Looks like a gorgeous mauvey shade. That is beautiful. I honestly think I might have a new Gloss Bomb favorite formula because these are insane. They're so pretty. The colors are fantastic and I love the formulation. So here are the Emily lip liner with the Fresh Mauve Gloss Bomb. Obsessed with this lip combo, just as I was obsessed with Cleo. The next lip combo is the only one that I'm like, does that work together? Because I feel like the Gloss Bomb and the lip liner are a bit different, but we'll see. We'll trust Natasha. So the lip liner is the Natasha Denona lip liner in the shade Renee. So let's go ahead and put it on. Here's what Renee's swatch is like, by the way. Oh, that actually, no, that I think that'll work. I thought it was a lot more brown than it is, but it definitely has a lot of rose in there. So let's go for it. Here's the Renee lip liner applied. My least favorite out of everything I've tried so far. It's pretty orangey red. But then the Gloss Bomb is in the shade Berry Pop and it looks like I'll like it more than I like the lip liner. So hopefully together they'll work. Let's go ahead and go for it. Because this one has a little bit more red rather than orange in it. I think for anyone who loves a statement lip, this is going to be a really beautiful lip combo. So this is the lip liner in the shade Renee and the Gloss Bomb in the shade Berry Pop. So the next lip liner is the lip liner from Natasha Denona in the shade Gaia, which is the only lip liner I owned from this entire PR box. Here's the swatch of it. And let's go ahead and put it on. It's more like a nudie rose color. So here's the Gaia lip liner fully applied. And then Lush Lila is the Gloss Bomb that is paired with it here on the box, which looks like a very cool tone pink gloss bomb. I had my doubts, but this is a very beautiful lip combo. Here's the Gaia lip liner with the Lush Lila Gloss Bomb. Which means we've gotten to our very last lip combo, which has the new lip liner shade in Cherry Blossom with the new Gloss Bomb in also the shade Cherry Blossom. Cherry Blossom lip liner swatched. And so take a look at the back of my hand because that is every single one of the lip liners we've tried today swatched back there. And let's go ahead and apply it on my lips. This one is also a rosy nude, just a little bit more cool tone. It honestly looks a lot like the color of my lips naturally. So here's the new shade of the Natasha Denona lip liners in Cherry Blossom applied. Extremely natural, extremely flirty and girly for sure. I really like this. And so finally, let's go for the Cherry Blossom Gloss Bomb and add it over top of that beautiful lip liner. Obviously a perfect lip combo. That is stunning. So check it out. This is the last lip combo fully applied with the shades Cherry Blossom in both the lip liner and the Gloss Bomb. All we have left to do is to try the new blush shades from Natasha Denona. I'm dying to try the new shade Nude Muse. So we'll try this one first. Here's what the component looks like, and then once you open it, this is what you see inside. One of the sides of the blush is a bit more highlighty, and then the other one's more of a neutral to peachy blush shade. Let's go ahead and swatch them back here. Check it out right there. That is the swatch. I really like that blush color because it looks very natural. And I said peachy, but it actually looks like one of those neutrals that has enough brown in it to work with a lot of different colors. I'm going to try on the blush side on its own first, and then I'll add the highlighter. And I'm going to use this Sigma Beauty F43 soft angled cheek blush to do so. So here is the blush, and I'm going to start on the highest point of the cheekbone and then blend it down into the bronzer a bit. Is that not stunning? That is a very natural light layer of that blush, and I love it because it looks very natural. It did not enhance any texture on my face, and it looks like a natural finish. Like, it didn't really alter the finish of the foundation I have on. I'm going to add a second layer in case you want to see it a bit more vibrant. This might be my favorite shade out of these blush duos from Natasha I've tried. So that is what it looks like with a bit more color. And I would honestly probably leave it just like this because you guys know I'm a little bit of a highlighter hater, but of course I'll try the highlighter for you. So this is a Cinch Beauty F06 brush, and I'm going to dip it into the highlighty part and add it right here on the top side of the cheekbone. It's a very natural looking highlighter, I'll give it that. And so this is the duo in shade Nude Muse. Now for the one that I am a little bit scared of, this is the blush in the shade Lush Lila. It looks very bright, very pink, very cool tone. I am terrified, but I'll put it on for you. And I'm going to use the same two brushes which I just cleaned. So let's start with the swatches of these. That's what this looks like swatched on the back of my hand. Again, terrified. And so with the angled Sigma brush, I'm going into the blush side and we are blending. I don't think I need to do a second layer of this one because you can see it clearly right away. And I will do the same thing I did with the other one and add a bit right here to the outer third of my eye so that it blends very nicely into the rest of my makeup. And so here's what this blush looks like on me. And then we'll go for the highlighter side, which I'll once again blend right here on the top part of my cheekbone. And you can check it out. This is the Lush Lila cheek duo on this side. This color right here, not my favorite. I don't think it's flattering on my complexion, but I'm sure it'll look very beautiful on someone else. Alright, I tried everything and I don't even know where to start with this outro because I loved 99.9% of everything I tried. My favorite lip combos were Cherry Blossom, the new lip liner, and gloss in Cherry Blossom, which is what I'm wearing. Loved. I loved Emily with Fresh Mauve. That might have been my #1 favorite combo. And then the Cleo lip liner with the Cleo gloss was beautiful. Those I think were my top 3 lip combos. I like the nudie rosy lip combos and I feel like they go with so many different eyeshadow looks as well. Obviously, Nude Muse on this side right here. This is my favorite Natasha Denona cheek duo I have tried. So all of that I highly suggest. Honestly, any of the lip combos are fantastic. So if you liked what you saw, go for it. Because as far as the formulation of the lip liners and the gloss bombs is concerned, they are outstanding. I think I found my new gloss bomb favorite formula out of everything I have tried so far. They were lovely and I also really loved this cheek duo right here. If you want to shop with a little bit of a discount, I would recommend shopping the Natasha Denona website. They have free shipping, I'm pretty sure, and you can save 10% with my code PATTY15. But as I said, this collection is also available online at Sephora and Ulta, and you will find all of the links down below in the description box. I truly hope that you guys liked this video. I had an absolute blast filming it. Natasha Denona is one of my favorite brands, and these products she came out with are excellent. So I loved trying everything for you, and now I get to keep it, you know? If you guys liked today's video, don't forget to please give it a thumbs up. Before you leave, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I love you all so much. Thank you for watching and I hope to see you back in the next video. Bye!